Hello everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about canons of public expenditure. Canons of public expenditure are principles in which public expenditure should be based. Canons of public expenditure are principles in which public expenditure should be based. And main canons of public expenditure are canon of benefit, canon of economy, canon of sanction, canon of surplus, canon of elasticity, canon of productivity, canon of equitable distribution, and canon of coordination. One by one we discuss about each. First canon is canon of benefit. According to this canon, public expenditure should maximize social welfare of all people in the economy. According to this canon, public expenditure should maximize social welfare of all people in the economy. Means public expenditure should not for an individual or selected group of people. It should be for whole society. And second canon is canon of economy. According to this canon, public expenditure should incur carefully and economically. Means public expenditure should avoid wasteful and unnecessary expenditure. Next canon is canon of sanction. According to this canon, public expenditure should be sanctioned by competent authority. According to this canon, public expenditure should be sanctioned by competent authority, or we can say the public expenditure should not made without sanction of appropriate authority. Next canon is canon of surplus. According to this canon, government revenue must be exceed from government expenditure. According to this canon, government revenue must be exceed from government expenditure so that government can create surplus. On the other hand, government should avoid deficit. Deficit means when government expenditure exceed from government revenue. Next canon is canon of elasticity. According to this canon, public expenditure should be flexible. It should not be rigid. Means public expenditure should able to increase or decrease according to changing requirement of economy. Next canon is canon of productivity. According to this canon, public expenditure should increase production and productive efficiency in economy. For example, expenditure on infrastructure like transport, road, irrigation will increase production. Similar expenditure on skill development and training will make workforce more productive. Next canon is canon of equitable distribution. According to this canon, government should reduce inequalities of income and wealth distribution. According to this canon, government should reduce inequalities of income and wealth distribution. As we all know, income inequality is the income gap between rich and poor. That's why government should do more expenditure on benefit of poor. For example, government should generate employment and should try to improve standard of living through education, health and welfare services so that income gap between rich and poor can be reduced. Next canon is canon of coordination. According to this canon, there must be proper coordination between central, state and local government so that dual expenditure on same kind of item can be avoided. This is all about canons of public expenditure. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.